Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, verify that your PC meets Windows 11 system requirements using PC Health Check. Check for TPM2. 0. Secure boot, supported CPU, 4 GB RAM minimum and 64 GB storage. Update Windows 10 to the latest cumulative update before proceeding. Create a full backup of your files to external storage or cloud. Note your Microsoft account and product key if using local activation. Close all apps and free at least 64 GB disk space for a smooth Decide whether you want an in-place upgrade or a clean install method. Use Windows Update for the simplest path through settings and check for updates. Alternatively, download the installation assistant to upgrade directly from Microsoft servers. For clean installs, download the Media Creation tool and create a bootable USB on an 8 GB drive. You can also download the ISO file to mount or burn for custom installations. Follow on-screen prompts and sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted. After installation, sign into Windows 11 and open Settings to verify activation status. Check Device Manager and update drivers that Windows flagged as incompatible or outdated. Run Windows Update repeatedly until no pending updates remain. If you encounter TPM, secure boot, or storage errors, follow the specific troubleshooting prompts in Settings. You can roll back to Windows 10 within 10 days using recovery options if needed. Finally, run Disk Cleanup and Storage Sense to reclaim space and remove temporary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.